last video, I referenced my salami slicer. And then you put it in this microtome, which I like to call my little salami slicer. This is where I slice my deli meat.
So that's like a block of?
Paraffin. This is all wax.
Okay.
And this little trapezoid, that's my applicophrin.
Oh, and it's little, and is it stained pink?
Yes.
So that's going this way into the...
So you missed the steps where I was like cussing and angry, and that's right there. So you put it in here, you let it that's like the base, and then you get your applicophrin, your little tweezers, and you hold it in, and you let this solidify for a little bit, and usually it'll stay in place.
Yeah.
And then you can fill it up.
And then you add a little bit more.
And a little bit more, and then, but you have to be quick about it, because if it solidifies too much, then you have fracturing, and when you section it, it falls apart. But then, yeah, after that, you have your, where'd I put it? But yeah, this is the end product.
So that has your animal in it?
Yeah. So you cut it like top, and then you have a trapezoid. Would you like me to show you how it works?
Absolutely.
Okay, so I have my little paintbrushes.
Oh, paintbrushes.
That way, I can grab it easily.
Whoa. So does it automatically push it forward every time?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what this wheel is. And if you record this, you can see this move by itself too as I go.
And you can, I'm guessing that you can set how far you want it to move forward, and that changes how thin your sections are?
Right here? So this means 5, so these are going to be 5 microns.
Gotcha. Okay.
And this is the scary part where I can't breathe. Paraffin's weird. Like, you could do a ribbon for 1 minute and then wait 5 minutes later, and then it'll act completely different, because some days I have to walk away because the air quality makes the paraffin not want to stick or something like that.
Huh.
Bruno can smell fear.
Okay.
When I first started, I was very, very scared. I was doing it super, super rigidly, and then it knows that you're scared, so it won't work well. And then once these are done, I already have a stock that I already done and dried that we're going to stain.
Nice.
And that's how we see things.
Sweet.
Okay, so you recording?
Yes.
Okay. So it's a full animal.
So this is a little carrot, you can just dunk that whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Is the idea?
Yeah. This is dangerous.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, okay, this is what?
Histo choice?
Histo choice.
Yeah. So what it's doing right now is stripping the paraffin. We're moving down to water, and then we're gonna get...
Whoa.
This is my cabinet of fun toys and chemicals.
This seems dangerous.
This is this thing called Boone's Fixative.
Okay.
And it smells like vinegar. But
Okay.
Gross vinegar.
Oh.
So right after the Boone's, we put it straight into hematoxin, which is the red stain.
Okay.
And then we rinse it, and then we put it in trichrome, which is the blue stain or purple. And then we put it in acetic acid, and it'll differentiate it so you can tell the difference between the two. And then we dehydrate it back to this.
And the different stains will bind or...
Yeah, to basic or acidic. So that's whenever we saw the cross section, some are blue, some are red, and you can tell the difference between the two.
Gotcha.
That's why.
You said histo choice is dangerous?
Yeah, so you can use histo choice or xylene, and xylene is bad.
Oh.
Xylene's worse, so that histo choice is a little better. But
Is it bad, to get in your hands or to breathe it or what?
both.
Oh.
Yeah. So when I work with histo choice and xylene, I'm doing this thing, and that's how you're supposed to use it if you want. Hello.